Okay, yeah, playing with numbers. Okay, sorry, playing with numbers. We did the how to play the numbers with the alphabets, with the digits, with the alphabets and with the digits. How to play the game we studied. Okay, we'll solve the exercise in this class. Okay, before we start with a short prayer now. Okay, all of you close your eyes, children. असतोमा सद्गमय तमसोमा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योमा अमृतम गमय ओम शांति शांति शांति. Okay, we are praying to the God for our wellness and for our academics. Okay, now we'll begin with our exercise because in the previous class I told you how to solve the sums on the digits and using alphabets. Okay, we'll start with our exercise now. Exercise 1.1 children. First one, what is the first main? Find the value of the letters in each of the following and give reasons for the steps involved. Okay, what all steps you are using, that all you have to give reason and you have to solve. First question is 3a plus 2 5. They are telling to find out the value of a, children. They are giving answer also here. And they are telling find out the value of B. Here they are telling find out the value of A and find out the value of B. Okay, we have to find out both the values. Now we have to try here because here they given a one value to find and two they given. They already given two. Okay, what we have to do? We have to put any one number yaad ಬೇಕು ನಿಮಗೆ ಅದು ಹಾಕ್ರಿ. ನಿಮಗೆ ಯಾವ್ದಾರ ಒಂದು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಹಾಕ್ರಿ. ಅದರೊಳಗ A ಇದ್ದಲ್ಲ. ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಯಾವ್ದು ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಅದನ್ನ ಹಾಕಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. ಅವಾಗ ನಮಗೆ ಏನು ಬರಬೇಕು ಆನ್ಸರ್ 2 ಬರಬೇಕು ಇಲ್ಲಿ. Okay, what we have to get here 2. So what we have to put there? What answer we have? What value we have to put? Yes, try it first. Yes, A is equals to. Okay, I'm putting 3 here. Okay, A idhar 3 hakide. Okay, 3 plus 5 how much? 8. But here what answer they given? 2. So A 3 hakak barangilla. Okay, again I am putting here 7. A is equals to 7. Put the A value here. What we get here? A 7 at hakide. 7 plus 5 will be what? 12. Exactly, we got 2 here. 1 will be carry here. Yes, 1 will be carry. Now add this. 3 plus 1 will be 4. 4 plus 2 will be 6. We got the answer of B also. 6. Yes, we got the value of A also and we got the value of B also. We have to write this. A is equals to 7 and B is equals to 6. First problem. Okay, so first problem we have to just try the A value. What all things they give now. A value, find out the A or find out the B. We have to first try. We have to try all the numbers and answer exactly ಬಂದಿರಬೇಕು ನಮಗೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ. ಸೊ ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಬರುವಾಗ ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ A ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು. ಯಾವ್ದೋ ಒಂದು ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ 2 ಸಿಗಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. If you put 7 there, then only we get 2. 12 we get. So 2 will be down and 1 will be carry. Yes, we have to do like that. Now we move on to the next one. Next, children, write the B question now. I will rub this. Okay, these are 4A plus 9A and the answer is B3C. Okay, they are telling to find out the value of A, find out the value of B, find out the value of C. ನಮಗೆ ಏನೇನು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಿಲ್ಲ ನಾವೀಗ A value, B value and C value. So now start trying the numbers now. Here they given one value 8 and they given answer 3. So 8 illa add ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ 3 answer ಸಿಗ್ತೈತಿ. What number we have to put there? 5 we have to add there. A is equals to 5 ಅಂತ ಹಾಕ್ರಿ. So start doing now. 5 ಅಂತ ಹಾಕಿದಾಗ I will do here rougher side. In the rough side 4 a इधर ಏನು ಹಾಕ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು 5 plus 9 8. Okay, I am putting only a value there, a. So 8 plus 5 will be what? 13. Okay, 13, 1 will be carry here. 9 plus 1 will be 10, 10 plus 4 will be 14. We got b also and we got c value also. What we are doing? Just adding a value, a value. Just put a is equals to 5. We get b is equals to 4, c is equals to 1. Okay, yes, we got all the three numbers, all the three values we get now. Yes, only using what? Only putting a value, we got remaining two answers. Yes, we got remaining two answers. Now we'll move on to the third one, children. Right, copy this copy in your fair notes only. Write exercise number 1.1 and copy the answers. Next one I will rub now. Third one, write the third question. Write the third question. Multiplication now. We did addition, now multiplication. 1a into a down 9a. Okay, they are telling to find out only a. ಇದ್ರಾಗ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಏನೈತಂದ್ರ ವಾಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲೇನ್ a ಬರ್ದಿರ್ತೀವಿ ಅದ ಇಲ್ಲೂ a ಬರ್ಬೇಕಾ, ಅದ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಅದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಬರ್ಬೇಕಾ, ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಒಳಗೂ ಅದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬರ್ಬೇಕಾ. So it is a tricky. See here, in the all the three sides we have to get that number only. A will be same. So what we have to put now? What number we have to add there? ಏನ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಇದೆ. We'll try. Start trying. A is equals to 1 ಅಂತ ಹಾಕೋಣ. Okay. 1 into 1. Okay. 1 ones are 1. 1 ones are 1. But ಇಲ್ಲಿ 9 ಐತಿ. So 1 ಆಗಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. Change it to 2. Change it to 2. Now 1 2 into 2. 2 ones are 2 twos are 4. 2 ones are 2. ಇಲ್ಲ ಅದು ಬರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. 3 ಹೋಗೋಣ. 3 ಬೇಡ. ಒಮ್ಮೆ jump it to 5. We'll jump it to 5 now. Add 5 there. Okay, put 5 there. 1 5 into 5. 5 5s are 25. 2 will be carry. 5 ones are 5. 6 7. But here we have 9. This also not holds. We'll move on to the next number, that is 6. 1 a is equals to 6. 1 6 into 6. 6 6 are 36. 3 6 ones are 6 plus 3. Exactly we got 9 here. Yes. So and one more thing. Here also I got 6. Here also I got 6. And here also we got 6. So a will be what? 6. Put a is equals to 6. Then we get, I am writing here clearly, see. Put a is equals to 6. 1 6 into 6. 90. Okay. Yes. Third one. Now we'll move on. Copy this, children. Copy it in your fair notes only. Next question, fourth one. Fourth one. A B plus 3 7. Okay, and answer is 6a. We have to find out the value of a and value of b. Okay, and one more thing, here also a we have to come same both the side. If we got 4 here, here also we have to get 4 only. So like that we have to find the value of a. Now start. Okay, ಈಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡೋಣ, a ಇದ್ದಲ್ಲೇ 1 ಹಾಕೋಣ. Okay, a ಇದ್ದಲ್ಲೇ 1 ಹಾಕಿ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡೋಣ first. Okay, we are trying. Okay, not last answer. When we try, then only we can get the answer. Without trying, if we manually ನೀವು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಹಾಕೋತ ಹೋದ್ರಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಹಿಂದಿನ ನೋಡ್ಕೋತ ಹೋಗಿ ಹಾಕೋತ ಹೋದ್ರಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ you will not get, you will not understand. So you have to try it. One number you have to try. A is equals to 1. I am putting a is equals to 1. 1 b Okay, 3 7 ಬಂತು. So I have to put b value also. b also 1 ಅಂತ ಹಾಕೋಣ. Okay, 1 ಅಂತ ಹಾಕೋಣ. Okay, 1 1 ಬೋತ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಷ್ಟು ಹಾಕಿದೆ ನಾನು 1 ಹಾಕಿದೆ 1 1. Okay, plus 3 7. Add now. 7 plus 1 will be 8. 7 plus 1 will be what? 8. And here 8 ಅಂತ ಬಂದೈತಿ. ಅದ್ರ ನಮಗೆ ಏನು ಹಾಕೇವಿ ನಾವು a ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 1 ಹಾಕೇವಿ. ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊರಿ. ಇನ್ನು ಮುಂದೆ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡೋ ಮೊದಲು ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್. Because 1 we are putting, so here also we have to get 1 only. So this not holds good. ಮುಂದಿನ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡೋ ಮೊದಲನ ಹೋಲ್ಡ್ ಹಾಕಿತ್ತು ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಗೆಟ್ ಇದನ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು, ತಿಳ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ a is equals to 2. a is equals to ಏನು ಹಾಕೋಣ 2 ಹಾಕೋಣ. b is equals to 4 ಹಾಕೋಣ. ಓಕೆ, ನಾ a ಇದ್ದಲ್ಲೇ ಏನು ಹಾಕ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು 2 ಹಾಕ್ತೀನಿ, b ಇದ್ದಲ್ಲೇ 4 3 7. Okay, now start adding. 4 plus 7 how much? 11. ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಆಗಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಹೌದಾ? ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಆಗಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ನನಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲೇ a ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಏನು ಹಾಕಿನ ನಾನು 2 ಹಾಕಿನ. ಆದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ a ಐತಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲೂ a ಐತಿ, ನಮಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲೂ 2 ಬರಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ನಾಟ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ವಿಲ್ ಮೂವ್ ಆನ್ ಟು ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನಂಬರ್. ಹಿಯರ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಪುಟ್ 5. Okay, now a is equals to 2, b is equals to 5 3 7. Now add 5 plus 7 will be 12. We got same answer. Yes, this will holds. Okay, so carry 1 here. 2 plus 3 will be 5. 5 plus 1 will be, yes, 6. Exactly what we got, 6 also here. And we got a value 2, and here also we have a 2 only, and we got b also. Yes, this holds. So put a is equals to 2, b is equals to 5. Then 2 5 3 7, we get what? 6 2. This is the answer. Write it correctly. Don't write these all things. Write neatly. Okay, after writing this, write that. Okay children, now we'll copy this. We'll move on to the next problem. Fifth problem. Fifth problem, multiplication again. Again we have multiplication. A b into 3. Here we have 3 numbers c a b. ಇದ್ರೊಳಗೂ ಹಿಂಗ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಐತಿ. What a value will be, that only here. What b value, that only will be here. Here also same. Now start trying. Now we'll try put a is equals to 4 and b is equals to 1. Okay, we'll try it now. 4 1 into 3. 3 1s are 3, 3 4s are 3 4s are how much? 12. But only we got same answer. b iddal b sikta, adre a iddal nodri a ile ಏನೈತಿ 4 ಐತಿ. But here also a we have, but we got different answer. So this holds not. As so I am changing to b is equals to ಈ whole number change ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಈಗ ಏನಂತ ಹಾಕೋಣ, ಇಲ್ಲೇ a ಇದ್ದಲ್ಲೇ 5 ಹಾಕೋತೀನಿ, b ಇದ್ದಲ್ಲೇ 0. Okay, now try 5 0 into 3. 3 zeros are 3 0 5 15. Okay, ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೇನಿದೆ a, ಇದು b. Okay, here it is a and here it is b. See here we got same answer and this is c. Yes, we got a 5, here also we got 5, b 0, here also we got 0. So this holds. So put a is equals to 5 and b is equals to 0. Then 5 0 into 3 150. So we get a is equals to 5, b is equals to 0 and c is equals to 1. Yes, we got all the 3 numbers. We got all the 3 numbers. Yes, children, we did 5 sums today. What you have to do, children? You have to solve 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10 will be the homework for you. I am writing on the board. I will not send you the homework today. Just you have to watch the video. In the end of the video, I am sending the homework. See here, homework will be exercise number 1.1. Okay, 5 we did, 6, 7, 8, 9 and last one 10 sum you have to do by yourself. In which book? Homework book. In homework book. Okay, 5 sums and some more sums I am giving today. Please do that also. Okay, page number, not page number, I am giving on the board only. What you have to do, you have to just try here playing with numbers. Okay, listen here. What you have to do, today's homework for you, these 5 sums you have to do by yourself. And one more thing, these today what all things we solved now, these all things you have to copy it in your classwork. These 5 sums you have to copy it in the classwork and these 5 sums you have to write in a homework book. Okay, practice this and we'll give you the some more sums in the next class. Okay, we'll solve you the next content in the next class. Okay children, see you tomorrow. Revise these all things. Okay, bye.